Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to share with you how you can download the IMM 5257 form from the Canada. You're gonna have a link also down below in the description directly for this. But first you have to set up the settings. So go to top right, 3 dots. Then you're gonna have the settings under help. When you're gonna be here, you just want to write PDF. Then you want to click site settings. Then you want to scroll down below and you can have additional content settings. And then you can have PDF documents. And have here download PDFs, alright? That's very important. When you're gonna do it, because if you don't, it's going to be like this. It's not going to work out. So you need to have it like what I told you. And then when you're gonna click it, and look, it downloaded. And now I'm going to open it. And look, we got it. Right? So I got it. I got you, fam. Enjoy your trip to Canada. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this video helped you and provided you value. If it did, please write down below in the comments, and you can also like this video. It helps the algorithm. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.